We are so vulnerable to getting hooked and addicted to AI. We have to understand what AI is selling us. Now, this is coming off of the Lisa Ling segment that we had about AI and about how people are forming relationships with AI. So what AI is offering us is replacements for real people and real relationships that actually work and feel better than real relationships and real people. Now, how we are so vulnerable to that is because so many of us, all of us, and probably the whole world, relationships are really hard and really frustrating and generate a lot of cortisol and a lot of agita and a lot of trauma and a lot of stuff that people don't want most people are in so much pain and stress with it, they're ready to give up on the whole relationship thing. But alas, they don't have to give up on it. They can now use these products that work and feel better than real people as real people. They don't have to be in relationships. So understand the vulnerability of this. Our vulnerability is based on how much pain we're in. And so how much pain we're in. So understand what an addiction is. My understanding of an addiction is that it's a relationship with a means of relief of pain. It's a means of relief of pain. You get addicted to a means of relief of pain from unmet emotional needs. So now this is a way, these replacements, these dolls, these voices, this digital AI technology are now working to satisfy those needs that we have that aren't getting met and make us feel really, really good without any consequences. But we have to give ourselves up in the process. We're giving ourselves completely up. So the moment that people become addicted, is a discovery moment. And what happens there is that our denial comes into play. When we discover this addiction, whatever relieves our pain, it feels so good. It's like we got a free ride. We discovered the mother lode of feeling better without any consequence. And we act as if in our denial that we are the source of that and we can get away with that and it's real.